Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create free vertical AI video in 9:16 format using Nano Banana inside Google Gemini. And this is part 1 where we will generate the base image, and in part 2 we will turn into a moving video. So let's dive right in. First just open Google Gemini and then just log in with your Google account, and then on this home page or in this first interface, just tap on create image, and then just this feature is powered by Nano Banana feature that lets you edit a picture or generate a picture by typing a prompt. And then now here's an important tip. Nano Banana sometimes struggles to generate images in the correct 9:16 ratio, and to fix that, just simply upload a blank template image with the 9:16 aspect ratio first. With this way, Gemini will follow that ratio as the reference. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just upload a blank template or blank image like this, and then once that's ready, you can type your prompt for image that you want to create. For example, in this tutorial, let's say I want to start a short vlog style video, so I will type my prompt like this. Okay, like that, your image is ready. And if you unsatisfied with the result, you can edit it. You can still edit it by tweak your prompt, for example like this. Okay, like this. And that's it for part 1. We now have the base image for our AI video, and in part 2 I will show you how to take this image and bring it to life using Google Flow Veo3. So just see you at part 2.